how to set up and use Buy Me a Coffee step by step. Now, Buy Me a Coffee is a popular online platform where users can put their donation link so that other users can donate them to help them buy a coffee. Now, it doesn't literally mean that you have to buy a coffee. It just means that some people might ask for a donation for some cent or a few dollars, hopefully to get you something. Now, to start using it, obviously you want to open your browser and go to buymeacoffee.com, which is the official website. If you already have an account, by the way, you can tap on the login button from the top right, but if you don't, you can tap on the start my page option from the top right. Now here you can simply choose to enter a username that you want to give it. So just go ahead and then enter the username and then tap the sign up button. You will see if that username is available or not. And once you tap on the sign up button, you can choose to enter your email address and password manually so that you can use them, or you can choose to continue with your Google, Apple, or your Twitter account, depending upon whatever is much more convenient for you, right? So just go ahead and then select that particular option right there. So we'll select continue with Google, and I'll select my Google account here. Once I've done that, I can finish the setup process. Now, BMC will actually charge a certain amount of fee depending upon where you're at whenever you receive a donation or whenever you want to withdraw that donation. But basically, this is how you can set up and start using Buy Me a Coffee. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.